Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a luxury favorites video. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you guys would like to see this video, and you guys voted yes, and I'm so happy to share with you guys what I have been using at the moment. I love all my luxury stuff, but these are like the things that like I am grabbing the most right now, so I just wanted to share with you guys. So if you're wondering what my luxury favorites are, then just please keep on watching. So before we get started, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. My first luxury favorite is my YSL small Lulu bag. You've seen this bag so many times now on my channel and on my Instagram. By the way, if you weren't following me on Instagram, I'll leave my name on the screen. Please go follow me because I do a lot of my like votes on there, what videos you guys want to see, and I started being more active on there, like uploading pictures and everything. So I want to grow on there as well as YouTube, so go follow me. But yes, this is my #1 favorite at the moment. I just recently got this bag not too long ago, and I've literally haven't stopped using it. I have used a couple other bags that I'll show you in a little bit, but this one has been like my everyday bag. I love bringing this out. It's so easy to just throw on and just put all my stuff in because it fits a lot. I love this bag. I have a couple videos on this bag on my channel, so go check them out. Okay, so my second favorite that I've been using every day is my Louis Vuitton perfume. I recently got this while I was in New York. I have been loving this perfume. It smells so good. It's just a lovely smell. It's like very sweet and floral-like, and I just love it. I'm almost done with the bottle. And one of my subbies, thank you for letting me know this, but I didn't know you could get like a refill of this instead of buying another whole bottle. So I really greatly appreciate that you told me that. So yeah, that is my favorite, and I did get it for my mom, but we share it. I did surprise her with this perfume, and I engraved it with mom on there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that. There we go. So it says mom on there, and we both share this perfume, so I really have been loving this. My third favorite for this month is my Chanel card holder. I have been using this. I recently just switched out because I bought a new Chanel wallet. If you haven't seen that video, it is my last video that I posted, so go check out that unboxing. But yes, I've been using this so much. It is just perfect. I just love the quality of it. It's just very durable. It fits everything that I need, my cash, my cards. I don't put coins in here, but I've really been loving this color, and the red just gives me like summer vibes, and I am waiting for summer to come. I'm so sick of the cold weather, loving it. And yeah, this is my Chanel card holder. I do have a video of this card holder on my of a review of this, so go check it out. My fourth luxury favorite is my key pouch from Louis Vuitton. I love this key pouch so much. This was one of my first purchases from Louis Vuitton. I can't say enough good things about this little pouch. You could fit so much in here. I literally put my cards in here, use it as a wallet sometimes, some cash, and I do put coins in here as a little coin purse when I have a wallet in my purse. But this is such a great grab and go kind of piece if you want to just put a few cards. And then there is a D-ring provided, so you can put your keys on here, and it's just like a cute little grab and go. It's very popular for that use as your like keychain. So yeah, I really like this a lot, and I would want to get another print. Also, this is a great starter piece if you're wanting to invest into Louis Vuitton. I suggest, like always, if you've been my subscribers, you guys know, but I really suggest to buy something small so you can like test out the material if you like it, the print. So yeah, this is a great starter piece, and it's very popular. It's been hard to get your hands on recently, but I was lucky enough to get this before it like was sold out everywhere. So yeah, I totally recommend it. And if you guys want to see an updated video on what I can fit in here, let me know in the comments. My fifth luxury favorite is my Louis Vuitton multi pochette. I love this pochette multi-pochette purse. This is such an amazing purse. I've been switching off with this one and the YSL one. I just love bringing this around. It's so easy to just put my things in and just go. I wore this all day in New York City, but I went for the weekend a month ago and I got so many compliments on it. Everyone was crazy about this bag. When I was actually in the Louis Vuitton store, everyone was purchasing this bag. And I was lucky enough to get this from my wonderful essay in California. I was looking everywhere for it. I was always sold out. I even texted my essay that I have here and she said, yeah, I'll let you know, and it was like a month. So I was like, oh, I cannot wait anymore. I just love this bag so much. It is so easy. And I plan on doing a what's in my bag video, so stay tuned and subscribe if you want to see that. So my 7th thing that I have been loving are my Cartier rings. I have been wearing them all day, every day, non-stop, haven't taken them off, and I just am so obsessed with them. Is one of the best investments I've ever made for myself. This is what they look like. I have a video on the unboxings of these. This is the thicker love bands from Cartier in the yellow gold. I love gold jewelry. I mostly wear gold jewelry. My hoops are gold. My rings are gold. Even this one I got from my aunt. My pinky ring is gold. But this is also the love wedding band from Cartier, and I recently just purchased this one. And I know I said I was gonna stack them, but I found that I have been loving this on the other hand and one on one hand. I've just been loving them. I love how I can wear them on different fingers. So I can wear it on this finger. It fits on most of my fingers. My thumb, it fits perfectly, and I just love how I can change it up some days. But I have been loving this look right now, so yeah, I definitely recommend these rings. They're such an investment, but you will have them forever because they're 18 karat gold. My last favorite from my collection is my Louis Vuitton bum bag. I've been loving using this bag. It's just such a cool bag. I love throwing all my things in there because I can fit everything in here and more. It's crazy. And I just love bringing these around when I just want to be totally hands-free. Last weekend I went to the beach and I brought this because it was just so easy just to throw on and just walk around in. I just love this bag. I do not regret this purchase at all, and I was so lucky to get this bag because it was sold out and I couldn't find it anywhere when I was looking for this bag. Every time that I went to the mall, I always asked for the bag and they always said it was sold out. This pocket, I cannot talk enough about. This pocket is the best, is one of the best features of this bag because it goes so deep. You can fit so much in here and it's just an amazing bag. It's starting to patina, which I'm loving. I love when my Louis Vuitton pieces start to patina like this. It gives it that like little, it just looks more rich, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just love this bag. Everything about this bag. I love the chunky chains. It's just a cool bag. If you're wearing like a casual outfit and you just throw this on, it just makes your outfit look 10 times better. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have a luxury favorite that you're loving at the moment, please let me know in the comments. I would love to know. I love talking to you guys. I love all your comments. They're all so positive. Thank you for our new subbies here. I'm so glad you joined us, and you will not regret joining us because I have fun videos coming up and put more content out there for you guys. I love making these videos. The whole process of making these videos is so much fun. Just like making it, editing it is so much fun, and then just giving it to you guys. So yeah, I have been loving doing this and I don't plan to stop. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I will again put my name here. Go follow me there. I want to be more active and connect with you guys more on there and know what kind of videos you guys want to see and everything. So go follow me there, and if you like this video, then consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.